What's going on? Brian Tong here, and it's been kind of quiet on the foldables front lately, but not anymore after a recent boatload of Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 leaks just dropped, so hey, let's get to them. Now, a Twitter thread from analyst Ross Young have revealed the display specs for the Galaxy Fold 2. The first thing really to pull from these specs is that the display size for the next gen Fold has increased for both the outer display and the big main display. Now, the front display is listed at 6.23 inches compared to the 4.6 from the original Fold, with a higher 2267 by 819 resolution and a hole punch camera. Now, Ben Geskin created an image to kind of give us an idea of what it might look like. Ross Young then claims that the main display will feature a 7.59 inch display that's larger than the original Fold's 7.3 inches and a higher resolution of 2213 by 1689 and higher pixel density at 372 pixels per inch. Plus, the new Fold is also expected to bring 120 hertz refresh rate for that buttery smoothness that just makes it hard to go back to a 60 hertz refresh rate. Now, Young also says there will be S Pen support that will really elevate the productivity of the Fold 2 as well. There haven't been any new features revealed for the S Pen on the Fold 2 yet, but you know, we are still months away from the release, but this should get some of you fans even more excited for it. Plus, Ben Geskin even put out renders that then put the Galaxy S20's camera system on the back of this Fold 2 as well, just to kind of paint an even deeper picture of what it could be like. Now, that hasn't been confirmed, but with the Fold 2, what we're piecing together is really starting to make sense with all of these leaks, and there are no specific details about its hinge, but really you got to imagine the thinking is that it should use the same hinge design as the Flip Z, which was a big improvement compared to the original Fold, right? It had that little sweeping motion that would prevent particles from getting trapped inside, and the Flip Z, to me, is really still the phone that I have honestly enjoyed the most this year. It was a unique phone. It had really well thought out function and usability, and really the most polished first gen Samsung product that I can remember. Like, I was impressed. I'm still impressed, but you know, it came at a premium price for $1,500 for being the first of its kind. Now, there's still a whole lot of excitement around the Fold 2 after winning over a lot of the tech crowd with the original Fold, and we all know that can get even better, and that's what the Fold 2 is aiming to do here. But it's more than just being able to bend in half, which is cool. The Fold has real substance as a new productivity tool that has become the closest smartphone that we've really seen that could replace some of the things that we even do on a laptop. And with the form factor this size, Samsung isn't going to hold back. After we saw what they did at their S20 launch this year, they went ham, they went hard, all the cameras and everything. So we'll just wait and see until the Fold 2 gets its official reveal. Now, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, subs up, and hit that notification bell, ding, to be the first to see my videos when they drop. But there you go, the latest leaks for the Fold 2. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, everybody, and be safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.